So guys, welcome back. Sorry, I had a few issues here and there, but I was able to download the image. This is the picture I downloaded. Now, how do you add this picture so that I can use? First of all, you have to create a folder in your the root level of your application. So I'll create a folder and I'll call it images. Okay, and then in that images folder, you can drop picture that we want to add. Okay, so I'm going to drop that picture inside here. So I have the picture inside here. Okay, so then that is done. Then after that, you need to go to your papspec.yaml file. Okay, and then head all the way to there's a section there called asset. Okay, it's been commented out. So uncomment it out, guys. You have to be careful. This has to start exactly. The indentation is important. And then today I'm adding only one image, so I don't need to bother so much about this. So I'm going to do images, and then I call the picture profile. Okay, then .png. It's a PNG file, so the extension is important. So I do this way. Okay, and then I copy this. This now becomes the name of the image. Okay, and I go back to my settings. Then here I paste this instead. Okay, and then if you run your application now, you see that the image you've added would be the one that is being used in your project. Okay, and so that's how you add an image to your project. If you need to add an image, let me just check. This my application. It's called dark settings. Let me so you see the image has been added here. Okay, but then let's go back and remove this white shape here. Okay, and then let's rerun that. Let's have that to work the way we want it to be. Now, if you look at the image is right here. Okay, but then if you look at our design, we want the image to be round. Okay, so there's this widget called clip over. Okay, clip over. There's a clip rect and there's a clip over. But I want the image to be entirely round, so we are going to add a clip over. So guys, first of all, I'll just wrap this widget in a clip over, so I can cut this first, and I add the clip over widget. Okay, this way, and then I'll make the child of the clip over to be the image we've added. Okay, and I save this. Okay, then I run and go back to my code, clip over this way. But you see that there's the image is not big as the rounding. So you see, it's not the rounding is not perfect. So what you have to do to obtain this perfect shape is that your image you should need to give your image a fit. Okay, call it fit, and then I'll do box fit. You choose one of the box fit features, and then I'll do cover. Okay, and so that it can cover the whole space. So I do that, and then you see that it's perfect round now. Okay, then you look at our design. So we have obtained the first one, but then the image is not centered in the middle of the screen now. Okay, we'll come back to that, but let's just say we have been able to round this image for now, and then we are getting started. The next thing we want to add is this name here. Okay, this name here at the bottom here. Okay, how do we want to achieve it? There's a row with two texts inside, so let's start with that. Quickly, we have this, and then we have after this we want to add a row. Okay, so we have a row. Okay, and then a row, we have children inside the row. Okay, so quickly, sorry for this. So we have a row, and then we have children inside, and the children in this case will be a text row. Okay, so text, and then the first one, let's say, is the name, the email. Okay, say bright@gmail.com, and then we add another one, which is whether the person is pro or, so we have this, and then we have pro. Okay, that's like the next thing we want to add. And then let's come here, let's run our code. You see the images showing there, but because the text by default is dark, we are not able to see. So let's come here, and then we can give a style. Okay, and then we'll do that as text style. Okay, the style will be text style, and then inside that we can say the color should be colors dot white. Okay,